I'm officially cancer-free, so that means I've been 5 years clear, so I'm not in remission, I'm cancer-free. I had to go through many rounds of chemotherapy, many rounds of radiation, including implants in my lymph nodes up here, which is really what started to leach away the health of my teeth. They just started rotting from the inside out. It's embarrassing. There shouldn't be, but of course there's a stigma to having poor dental health. I work for Doctors Without Borders in critical care and infectious disease. That was another reason that I really wanted to get implants, was because it's kind of hard to tell people you should be doing A, B, and C when I look like I'm not doing A, B, and C. I had one of those I really need to get this taken care of moments at my oldest's high school graduation. So, proud mother, I couldn't be happier, this wonderful moment. And then when I get home, I'm going through the pictures and I'm like this. So my outside was not matching what I'm feeling, because I don't, I'm a smiler, I'm a laugher, I'm bubbly. So this was not what I was feeling. You're not being yourself. And you're always thinking in the back of your head, are they staring at my teeth? What do they think? I decided to get dental implants. So I have a MD and a PhD. When I was getting my PhD, I worked for Da Vinci. So I was really familiar with, the world of surgical robotics. There's just, I think, a level of precision that comes with the robot. I didn't come knowing that he had the yomi, but when I saw that he did, I was like, oh, okay, done. Done. We're gonna attempt a margarita pizza. Oh, wow. College tuition money at work right here. But then you get to see the result. And I'm like a kid with new shoes or something, showing off my sparkly new teeth. It's been, overwhelmingly positive, of course. So I'm excited. I just saw my before and after picture, and it's shocking. Shocking that I was walking around looking like that, but even more so that this was the result.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. My husband is in love with red lips. So it was really fun to be able to go and put on that first bit of Vixen red lipstick.
Go ahead and close.
Just being able to be myself, to smile and laugh and be authentic without
I do love it.
Feeling insecure, Bring on all the red lips and the sparkly glosses. Look how white my teeth look.
Gorgeous.
I'm gonna be that 40-something-year-old mom with the sparkly gloss. I'm proud